Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make fried rice with leftover rice. Start by breaking up cold rice into loose grains and set your pan on high heat. Heat oil until shimmering, then quickly cook aromatics and proteins. Push ingredients aside to scramble eggs, then toss rice and sauces to combine. Finish with green onions and a splash of toasted sesame oil for extra flavor and serve immediately. Heat a wok or skillet until very hot, then add oil and aromatics like garlic and ginger. Add proteins and cook until nearly done, then move them to the side. Add rice and press it into the pan to give it contact with high heat, then stir fry to combine with sauces and eggs. Taste and adjust seasoning, then fold in scallions and serve while steaming and fragrant. For variations, swap proteins like shrimp, chicken, or tofu and use different vegetables to match your pantry. If rice is too soft, spread it on a tray to dry slightly before frying. Keep a small bowl of seasoning handy so you can tweak saltiness as you go. Work quickly on high heat for the best texture, and always taste at the end to get the balance just right.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.